Hello, little friends. Welcome to my fun learning channel. Today, we meet the shapes. This is the circle. It rolls around and around. It is like a ball. It is like the sun. It is like an orange. This is the triangle. It has 3 sides. It is like a watermelon slice. It is like a hat. It is like an ice cream cone. This is the square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. It is like a present. It is like a cracker. It is like a window. This is the rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. It looks like a stretched out square. It is like a book. It is like a door. It is like a building. This is the pentagon. It has 5 sides. It is like a house. It is like a circus tent. It is like a carousel. This is the hexagon. It has 6 sides. It is like a honeycomb. It is like a snowflake. It is like a nut. This is the star. A star is a shape with many points. It can have different numbers of sides and corners depending on its design. It is like a starfish. It is like a gingerbread. It is like a starfruit. This is the oval. An oval is a stretched out round shape with no corners. It is like a watermelon. It is like a baseball. It is like an egg. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more interesting videos.